Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for Social Science for Standard 6, Chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, due to what has India become a subcontinent? It's option number C, diversities. Second, which religion do the people of Punjab follow? It's option number D, Sikhism. Third, which language do the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana speak? It's option number A, Telugu. Fourth, which language do the people of Karnataka speak? It's option number C, Kannada. Fifth, which is the famous dance of Uttar Pradesh? It's option number C, Kathak. Sixth, which is the famous dance of Kerala? It's option number A, Kathakali. Seventh, which is the famous dance of Tamil Nadu? It's option number A, Bharatnatyam. 8. Which is the famous dance of Assam? It's option number B, Bihu. 9th. Ghumar is a well-known dance of the people of which state? It's option number B, Rajasthan. 10th. Who said, if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of national unity? It's option number C, Dr. Radhakrishnan. 11th. By which right of the Constitution of Independent India has untouchability been abolished? It's option number D, equality. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, people of Maharashtra mostly speak Marathi language. Second, people of Punjab are known for Bhangra dance. Third, people celebrating Mahavir Jayanti follow Jain religion. Fourth, Ras Garba of Gujarat state is famous in India. Fifth, Parsis celebrate the festival of Pateti. Sixth, the people of Punjab celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Seventh, Holi is the main festival of the people of Uttar Pradesh. Eighth, Ghumar is the famous dance of the people of Rajasthan. Ninth, Lavani is the famous dance of Maharashtra. 10th, unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. 11th, India made the feeling of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam true in the world. 12th, in terms of religion, India is a secular country. 13th, people of India live life with feeling of cooperation. 14th, in our country, girls become victims of evil customs due to lower literacy rate. 15th, birth of boy is given preference in society, so girls become victims of female feticide. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, in the post-independence years, discrimination is gradually decreasing. It is true. Second, our country is made up of cities. It is false. Third, some seats are not reserved in election. It is false. Fourth, all religions are given equal importance in our country. It is true. Fifth, Konkani language is a language of Maharashtra. It is true. Sixth, in Gujarat, the festival of Onam is celebrated with great pomp. It is false. 7th, Kathak dance is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. It is false. 8th, Bharatnatyam is a famous dance of Kerala. It is false. 9th, in the national anthem composed by Avindranath Tagore, Indian unity is expressed. It is false. 10th, diversity in unity is an important feature of Indian culture. It is false. 11th, even today differences based on caste are seen in Indian society. It is true. 12th, the right to free and compulsory education has started to provide opportunities for secondary education. It is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, Punjabi. It's option number 5, Punjab. Second, Odia. It's option number 4, Odisha. Third, Gujarati, it's option number 2, Gujarat. And fourth, Tamil, it's option number 1, Tamil Nadu. Now, second part of match the following. First one, Islam, it's option number 3, Muslim. Second, Sikhism, it's option number 5, Punjabi, that is Sikh. Third, Zoroastrianism, it's option number 1, Parsi. And fourth, Hinduism, it's option number 2, Hindu. Now, third part of match the following. First one, Ganesh Chaturthi, it's option number 2, Maharashtra. Second, Ashadi Duj, it's option number 4, Odisha. Third, Onam, it's option number 5, Kerala. Fourth, Baisakhi. It's option number 3, Punjab. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, which languages are spoken in our country? Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Konkani, etc. are spoken in our country. Second, which religions do people follow in our country? The people of our country follow religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, etc. Third, what is the unique feature of Indian culture? The unique feature of Indian culture is unity in diversity. Fourth, what has Dr. Radhakrishnan said about national unity? Dr. Radhakrishnan has said about national unity that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of national unity. Fifth one, how did our countrymen show national unity during freedom movement? During freedom movement, the countrymen showed national unity through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Sixth, why has India been able to create a unique culture? Since Indians are united, though there are many diversities, our country has been able to create a unique culture. Seventh, which principle has India followed in the world? India has followed the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam in the world. 8. What does India spread in the matter of religion in the world? India spreads the feeling of religious tolerance and equality in the world. Ninth, with what spirit do the people of India live their lives? The people of India live their lives with a spirit of coexistence. 10th, which discriminations are seen in our country? The discriminations between rich poor, male female, literate illiterate, urban rural, and caste discrimination, etc., are seen in our country. 11th, how has untouchability been eradicated from India? The Constitution of Independent India has given the right to equality to all citizens. As a result, untouchability has been eradicated from India. 12th, because of what has discrimination decreased quickly in the years after independence? Discrimination has decreased quickly in the years after independence because of getting freedom by which people can follow their own religion, speak their own language, and celebrate their own festivals. 13th, of which socially evil customs have women become victims in India? Why? Women have become victims of child marriages, parda system, dowry system, and other socially evil customs because of low literacy rate among women in India. 14th, why do the women become the victims of female feticide? In in Indian society, birth of a boy is given preference, so the women become the victims of female feticide. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions briefly. First one, which festivals do the people of our country celebrate? The people of our country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Holi, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Ashadi Dooj, Moharram, Buddha Jayanti, Onam, Baisakhi, etc. Second, which dances are famous in our country? Ras Garba of Gujarat, Bhangra of Punjab, Kathak of Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali of Kerala, Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Bihu of Assam, Odishi of Odisha, Ghumar of Rajasthan, Lavani of Maharashtra, etc. are famous dance in our country. Third, what led to caste-based discrimination in India? In the ancient times, social structure was occupation based Varna system. Some of these groups remained socially and economically backward. This led to caste based discrimination in India. Fourth one, why is our country the country of diversity? our country becomes a country of diversity in religions, languages, castes, races, economic inequalities, foods, festivals, attire, complexions, residences, beliefs, customs, and traditions, etc. Besides these, our country becomes a country with diversity due to its geographical factors like topography, climate, vegetation, wildlife, etc. Fifth one, what is national unity? People of different religions, languages, and castes show a spirit of love, respect, honor, loyalty, devotion, dedication, and respect to their nation and experience similar feelings of unity. This is called national unity. Now we'll continue with question number 7, that is answer the following questions. First one, write in short about discrimination between girls and boys. There are biological differences between females and males. That is why there is discrimination in the upbringing of a boy and a girl. In many families today, women do household chores, cooking, and upbringing children. In the family, women don't have authority to take decisions. Daughters are deprived of education, healthcare, and economic rights from infancy. Girls are discriminated in clothes, opportunities for study, in moving freely, and in professional work. Since birth of a son is given preference in society, women have to suffer female feticide. Second one, India is a secular country. Explain the statement. The Constitution of India has given the fundamental right of religious freedom to all citizens of the country. This right has given equal rights to all citizens without discrimination of religion, caste, or sect in India. The government of India is not responsible to buy any sect or religion. The country treats all religions as equal. No one is higher or lower in the eyes of the law of the country. The government of India is impartial and neutral in all religious matters. And here we come to the end of chapter number 14, that is Unity in Diversity. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.